Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, as you'll see by the thumbnail, today we're going to be doing a cheeky little video on the new acidic wheel cleaner from Autobrite Direct. So as you'll see guys, these wheels are in a very bad state. Now this stuff was baked on, and it was an ideal chance for me to shoot a little video for you guys and to test this new acidic wheel cleaner from Autobrite Direct. Now, upon talking to Mark Moss, the chief honcho, the main man of Autobrite, he told me that it is a new formula. It's not a revamped version of the Very Cherry. It is totally new. So as you'll see, I'm just spraying it on the wheel. Now I've mixed this at heavy soiling at a ratio of 5 to 1. I could have gone with medium soiling, which is 10 to 1, or light soiling, which is 15 to 1. But these wheels were very, very bad. And guys, if you are going to use this sort of stuff, any acidic wheel cleaner, please use gloves. Now as you'll see guys, I've gone straight in with the EZ wheel brush. Now this brush is totally fine. It is chemical resistant and is perfect for any types of wheel cleaners. Now I dare say I could have gone over with the IK foamer and blasted a bit of Autobrite wheel shampoo over the top just to allow the acidic wheel cleaner to dwell a little bit more. But for this purpose of the video, I wanted to see how well this acidic wheel cleaner cleaned these wheels and brought them back on its own. So that's why I'm using a few brushes just with the product on its own. So now on the first initial rinse, you will see a massive change from before to now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to repeat the process again. I'm going to hit the wheel again with this acidic wheel cleaner. Now I dare say I could have got a better results, guys, by chucking some Fallout on there, some citrus for the tires, some wheel shampoo, etc. But like I said, I just wanted to see the cleaning power of this acidic wheel cleaner. So as you'll see guys, this second hit of acidic wheel cleaner has made light work of the heavy brake disc and contaminates on this wheel, and it's restored a nice shine back to the wheel. So I'm very impressed with this stuff. But guys, with all acidic wheel cleaners, please remember to wear gloves. Always ensure that the wheels are cool to touch, guys, before applying any acidic based products. Don't allow this stuff to dry to your wheels. And please remember to rinse off thoroughly after you've used it. So there we have it, guys. If you've used this cleaner, please let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Guys, a big massive thank you to every one of you for liking, sharing and subscribing. It really means a lot. And I will catch you on the next one. Take care for now.